Welcome to day 2 of the Nairobi Kizomba Sensação Festival. And trust me, there was so much happening, I had to break it down into parts. From epic workshops to a jaw-dropping cultural showcase, this vlog is packed with energy, rhythm, and unforgettable moments. Buckle up because you're in for an amazing ride. Day 2 was already full of energy and great vibes, but Carlos took it to another level with his jokes. His humor made the workshops not just fun, but unforgettable.
Also, your hands are dancing.
Cross and step, step, all together.
Without stop.
So you go 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I didn't pull. Yeah? Question? No question. More question for Angola, then you come talk to us.
No smiling. Yes, good.
Okay?
Oh, she was smiling. No smile, please. No smile. Please, no smile. Let's go. No smile. No smile. Guy, if you see someone smile, take it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and good. Now, now smile.
Now smile. So smile we say poo. So the English they bring us a smile. Yeah. So I'm going to 5, then we say 3, then we say poo, we smile. And 6 smile. No more. 5, 6, 7 we go. Poo. Yes.
Good.
Okay, Nairobi Kizomba Sensação, we are the best. 6, 7 we go. Kizomba. Nairobi, sorry. It's Nairobi. 5, 6, 7 we go. Nairobi Kizomba Sensação. We are the best. Thank you. So we are the best.
What's our next class? I'm here with the ladies. That's Kelly, this is Siras, and that's Clara. And we're ready for?
Alright guys,
Easy.
there's a small announcement.
So, people, pressing the 4 double time, starting, we are going to do and 1 and 2,
Toes and heels.
3
Toes and
and
heels.
4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Muito bem.
Before the muito bem or well done in English, ladies, I'm going to do the. Remember, you already have your movement. Don't create more movements that you don't need. You don't need this. You need this. Okay? Because the leaders don't not wait to finish your. They're like, I just want this. You do this. This is too much for them, okay? For us, it's just toes and heels and press. Slowly, press. And then you get the movement. Because if we do this, start doing this, we already have some movement. If you slow down, you will create more movement, okay? When I say create, sometimes the people understand creating, it's giving more hips. No, sometimes creating is just putting the right weight when you put your toes and then you bring to your heels. When you finish, when you change direction or when you go to the center to change to the other leg and the movement comes out, okay? Sometimes it's about the way you put your weight or the way you put your toes and heels or your foot on the ground that brings you the movement, okay?
Let's try with music. Roll. Oh my God! Leaders, on the left. Ladies, on the right. Okay? Oh my God! And 5, 6, 7, 8. Press.
Você era o primeiro 007 preto. Idris Elba. 2 da manhã, a que nunca sabe, eu tô na minha. Carro limpo, só envio uma mensagem, eu tô na via. Se eu não tô em casa, ela sabe, eu tô com a tropa. Ela quer socorro, é respiração, boca a boca. Todas querem o mais puto do grupo, poder. Eu uso um Fiat Punto no pulso, modelo. Onde estás? Parece mensagem básica. Quando tu mandas eu leio, massagem tântrica. Elegância, eu fiz a matriz. A cheirar a uma fragrância que confunde o nariz. Não sou namorado, eu sou amado. 635, quero trancar, eu tô armado. Sou frio quando queres, tenho quando tu diz
Okay. Do with your can. Please, guys, don't put the energy up. Don't put the energy up. Okay, with my can. 5, 6, 7, we go.
Nairobi Kizomba Sensação. We are the best.
Thank you. I'm singing my can.
I was out in Swahili. Thank you. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.
A luz da lei da vida, nosso amor que será. Problemas e dilemas.
militado.
Nairobi Kizomba Sensação. We are the
Alright.
So because of this lady, she was like this. She didn't say anything. One more time, okay? Right. Take your hand then. Yeah, smile. Try to smile, just make fake smile. Let's go.
Make it, you make it.
Yeah. Moja, mbili, tatu.
Nairobi Kizomba Sensação. We are the
The lady made a fake smile I see in my life. Hey, guys, sorry, the last thing. So, please